Here we have a 20-plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Pro package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, finished in gloss black with the blue brake calipers just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills with the gloss black front splitter. There's a look at the front end. Round to the passenger side now, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom. We do have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. Black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip just here on the tailgate. We have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera. We've got the dual legs exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser. There's a look at the rear end. Walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior now, having a look at the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the M Sport style seat belts, fixed ISO points as well. We've got the ambient lighting, which you may have noticed on the doors, the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. Again at the front we've got the same full leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. Just take a seat aside as it is raining. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, multifunctional steering wheel, got the paddle shifters on either side. If you put our foot on the brake, press your start button, the vehicle will turn on. Got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. High beam assist just there as well on that stalk. And we're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard, other than letting us know about the low fuel range. We have the automatic wipers just there and also the automatic lights. Got the main screen just here in the centre. Now if any lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So this is touchscreen, but we also have the shortcuts down here. Click onto the media, you'll find we have the media options just here, the radio stations and also the Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have these apps that are currently installed. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Go onto the main menu, go on to car. This is where you find that we have the settings where you can adjust the interior ambient lighting just here. As you can see, we have plenty of colours to go through. We also have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down we do have the climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, heat seat buttons on either side as well for the front drivers and passenger seats. We also have the automatic gearbox. Put that into reverse. You find we have the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. We do also have the different drive modes. So we have the adaptive drive mode, we have the electric, hybrid and also sport, which has the extra boost, or just the standard sport mode just there as well. Got the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now at the 5 with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control button on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. We have the digital dashboard just in front of us, which can show different displays that you've seen on the photos and also the walk around video. We also have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for these cold winter mornings. We do have the main screen just here in the centre, packed full of features. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Also has features like the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, you have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, really desirable features they are. We also have the ambient lighting as well throughout the vehicle. Looks really nice, especially at night time. Just down here we have the climate control. We do have the 3-zone climate control in this vehicle. The ice-cold air conditioning as well, perfect for them hot summer days. And we also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn, so once we make the right hand turn, I'll perform an emergency stop and put the car into reverse just to show the brakes and reversing camera work as they should do. So put our right indicator on now, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass. So wait for this car to go past and then we'll make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.